Hello, I'm Charlie Kane reporting on the scene where Bridget was kidnapped by Bad Guy 1 and Bad Guy 2. I am on location and Max will give you all the details.
Well, hello there, people. Here we are live on the subject where they have imprisoned Senorita Brigida.
Oh.
Here she is. What are your thoughts on this, Senorita Brigida? Well, there you have it. Back to you, Charlie.
Thanks, Max. Now, the authorities tell us they have no idea who was doing all this stuff. I have no idea either. No idea. No idea. Back to you, Max. What are they doing on the scene to try to figure out who's doing this?
Okay, so authorities have no idea who Bad Guy 1 actually is. Okay, so, well, my co-host, Charlie, knows, but he won't tell anyone. No one. He won't tell anyone.
The best part is, I am Bad Guy number 1. I kidnapped Bridget. That's funny, isn't it? Oh, hi, Max. How's it going?
Get my meat stick.
I kidnapped Bridget. Oh, let me get his camera. Free camera. Oh, look how dead he is. Yeah. Go get Bridget. Hello, Bridget. You lost all hopes of getting away from me? That's right. You have, you little fatty. Come with me. Get up, I'll get up. I demand you.